everybody, Jeremy Church from Church's Family Farm. Today I'm going to unbox this Wagner's the Pro I-30 spray painter. I got a large portion of paint inside, the whole living room, and I'm going to give this a shot, see how it works, see if we like it, because then the next thing I would do would be the basement ceiling. Instead of drywalling it, we're just going to paint it black. So we're going to give it a shot and let's see what we got inside of here. Our instructions, those are always a plus to have. Never run the pump without liquid. Right off the bat. So I picked this up at Lowe's because honestly they have a better military discount than everybody else that I have. It's not the fact that it's more, it's the fact that they're a better company when it comes to managing it. So everything's kind of just stuffed inside. You got your air hose, it's supposed to be 50 feet, or 25 feet, 25 feet. Yeah, 25 foot of air hose. Comes with one spray nozzle. They sell two different styles. This is the most universal one, so they include that. You get your spray gun. This appears to be all solid, not plastic. That's always nice. It's metal. You get your on and off trigger. Locks it in place. That's nice. Explosion hazard. So be aware. I like how it's got the nice little clip. We can clip it onto stuff. Got a good weight to it too. Not too heavy, but not light. So this paint canister can hold 1.5 gallons of paint. There's a nice little screen, so when you pour it in, any contaminants that are in your paint won't stay or go into it. You can actually take this hose out and drain it back into your paint can. It's a nice little feature. You don't have to pick up the whole machine and try and dump it out and spill it everywhere. Nice. Alright. Apparently it's very simple to use, and the instructions are right there of add a little water, fill it up with paint, you should be good to go. One thing I don't really care for is the lid doesn't lock, it just kind of sits there. Yep. So it doesn't latch down. I don't like that. It'd be nicer if it kind of locked on. Yeah. But overall, looks like a solid little machine. Huh. Really simple, on and off switch. You want to paint, flip the switch. cycle it, just cycle it. Very straightforward, very simple. I like it. Looks like it's very easy to use. I don't know how well it'll be to clean. I'll update that afterwards. So, thanks for watching. This is Jeremy Church from Church's Family Farm. May God bless you and your family, and we'll see you next time. Take care.